Have you ever had to learn a foreign language? Maybe you were going on a dream vacation, or you had a new business venture, or it was a missionary trip. Well, I'm going to tell you what that has to do with your relationship. But first, thanks so much for joining my YouTube channel. I'm Mary Whitman Ortiz, relationship coach and Christian sex educator, and I love to help couples create great intimacy in their marriage. So please like, subscribe, share, and tune in every Friday because I have a new video for you. So what does learning a foreign language have to do with your relationship? Here's what I know. Emotional language is necessary to grow intimacy. We can't just exchange facts, be transactional, just share information. No, we have to go deeper. We have to learn how to talk in a way that brings connection. And so that will be deeper thoughts and feelings, and even revealing our needs to one another so we can build closeness. And there's a great passage of scripture that really highlights this. I'm going to read from 1 Corinthians 14. This is actually the Passion Translation. And it says, I suppose that the world has all sorts of languages, and each conveys meaning to the ones who speak it. But I am a foreigner. I don't understand the language, and the speaker will be like a foreigner to me. Your spouse could be a foreigner to you if you are not speaking their language, if you are not speaking a language that they respond to, a language that goes deep into their thoughts, their feelings, and that is missing. And early dating years, young married years, this might just be spontaneous because you're together all the time and you just can't not be together. But certainly as time goes on and you are adulting, having more responsibilities, it interrupts some of that flow. So now you are called to be intentional, and that will require you to learn some new things. And what happens when you don't learn an emotional language, a way to connect emotionally? Well, there's no closeness. And without closeness, then your relationship begins to deteriorate quickly. And this can result in blow-ups or shutdowns. People are either leaving quietly or they're leaving loudly. We just know that they're not there as much because it doesn't feel like a warm, safe, inviting place to be. And you might feel used or selfish if someone is not making the effort to connect emotionally. And I'm here to tell you this has a major impact on sexual intimacy. Certainly, women need emotional words of connection before they can give themselves to physical intimacy, to sexual intimacy. So it's a requirement. This is absolutely a part of foreplay, if you want to categorize it, but it's beautiful and meaningful for your relationship at large. What are some of those other benefits and blessings from being emotionally connected? At the core, it says, I see you. I value you. I treasure you. I want to know you more. There is so much that you are communicating there. It increases your bond. It increases your unity. It makes life easier and better when you have learned to emotionally connect. But you might need a challenge, so you have a first step to put this in practice. So here is your challenge. Give your spouse a compliment. Now, it's great to say, you look nice today, but I want you to go deeper. We are striving for emotional connection. So I really appreciate the way you stop everything you're doing. You put your phone away and you listen to me. Wow, that not only speaks to their heart, but it lets them know what's important to you. So you have communicated so much by giving that compliment and giving that information about how you are experiencing them. Now, I know that this is key to making relationships stronger, and I have something else to help you make your relationship stronger. It is the Limitless Intimacy app, and it's live now. So I encourage you, go to Google Play, go to your Apple Store, download the app. There are resources there for you right now that you can begin to develop your relationship. Conversation starters. There's a 5-day marriage challenge. There's an ebook, things that you can get access to right now. So please download the Limitless Intimacy app. And remember, when your marriage thrives, everything in your life thrives.